శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahanubhava is now saying to Saunaka, saying that, "Oh Saunaka, what Sri Sukha Yogindra told Parikshit is, bhakti is the most essential thing, and having eagerness to listening to Sriman Narayana's divine stories is the most essential thing." After Sri Sukha Yogindra told like this to Parikshit Narendra, now Parikshit Narendra is getting ready. Upadharya matim Krishne vyadhat. He is fixing his mind on Sri Krishna Paramatma. He is narrowing all of his attention and devotion down to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Not only that, Atma, Jaya, Sutta, ఆగార పశుద్రవిణ బంధుషు రాజ్యేచ సుతుల హితుల విడిచి చుట్టాల విడిచి ఇల్లాళి విడిచి బహుబలాళి విడిచి. నౌ Parikshit Narendra getting a detachment from his body, getting a detachment from his spouse, wife, getting the sense of detachment from his children, getting the pure sense of detachment from his all kind of wealth and palace, getting detachment from all his relatives, getting detachment from the kingdom. And not only that, now Parikshit Narendra Raju Hrudaya Midiye Rajiva Nayanupai, he is fixing all of his mind and intellect upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. Now his mind is filled up with Sri Krishna Paramatma. Now his buddhi is filled up with Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like this, when Parikshit Narendra did, and then Parikshit Narendra asking Sri Sukha Yogindra like this, "Oh Sri Sukha Yogindra, please tell me one thing. Sarvatmu Vasudevuni సర్వజ్ఞుడవైన నీవు సంస్తుతి సేయన్ సర్వభ్రాంతులు వదిలెను." ఓ శ్రీసుఖ యోగీంద్ర, when you are talking to me, when you are preaching to me, when you are discoursing to me, when you are giving me all these teachings, those teachings are filling up in my mind. Those teachings are captivating me in very effective way, and entire of my ajnanam tamo visiriyate, my ajnanam is destroyed. Oh Sri Sukha Yogindra, please tell me, I am asking just one question. The question is, Bhagavan Atma Mayaya, this entire universe, this entire creation, even Chaturmukha Brahma and other devatas also cannot imagine such amount of this Vishwam, such amount of this entire universe. Bhagavan Atma Mayaya, Sriman Narayana made this Vishwam just by his own sankalpam. How did he brought this Vishwam into existence? Yadha Gopayati, how he is preserving and protecting this entire universe. Yadha samyachate punaha, how Srimannarayana is again withdrawing this entire Vishwam. I would like to know Srushti and Sthiti and Laya, these activities of Srimannarayana. Oh Sri Sukha Yogindra, can you please explain me? Like this, Parikshin Narendra asking a question to Sri Sukha Yogindra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.